Hello there. In this video, I want to show you how you can enable users to add content from the front end of your site. So as you can see here, I'm on the front end of my site and I'm logged in and I'm presented with this new post form. Here I can add a post. Let's go ahead and add a post excerpt. Let's choose an image from our device and let's go ahead and add the content. Alright, looks good. Let's press submit and I'm redirected to the page of the post. And I can see all the content that I just submitted. Now I'm the admin of this website, so I have just received an email about the new post. Let's take a look. I have the title, post excerpt, and image, and I have the content of the site. And if I want to view the post, I have a link to that, and I also have a link to edit the post. So because this is a front-end facing page, we have to make sure that users who are not logged in or who aren't administrators or authors can't access this page. So that has been taken care of. If we come back into our page and open up an incognito window where we're not logged in, let's go ahead and try to access this page. We're redirected to the home page. And even if I press on the menu, add a post, I'm redirected to the home page because I don't have access to that page. So let's see how we can set this up. So jump into your WordPress dashboard and make sure you have Frontend Admin installed. Let's go ahead and add a page. Let's call it add a post. And let's just throw in the new post form block. Let's search for that, new post form. And everything is set up for you. You have the post title field, post excerpt, post image, and post content fields. And you also have the submit button ready to go. Now the first thing is we want to make sure to set up that only administrators, editors, and authors of the site can access this page. So let's go ahead to the page tab and under Frontend Admin limit visibility, enable that. We want to show this only for logged in users and for the administrator role, editor role, and for the author role. Let's go ahead and save our changes already. Alright, so next thing we want to do is we want to enable an email notification anytime a user submits this form. So in order to do that, let's click on the form block settings. Scroll down to where it says emails. And here you can add any number of emails. But the important thing to note is that this is a pro feature. So if you want to use this feature, you're going to need to purchase Pro. If you're using the free version, you're going to be prompted to get Pro in order to use this feature. Let's go ahead and add an email. And under the to address, let's go ahead and add our address. Let's scroll down to the message field. We want to add a link to view the post and a link to edit the post. Write post URL. And for the text, we want to write view. That will show the admin a link to view the post. Next, we want to add an edit button and write post, edit, and edit post. Let's add a break tag right there and let's save our changes. The next thing we want to do is we want to redirect the user to the post URL once the post is submitted. Under the redirect settings, choose post URL. Let's make sure we have a success message. Save our changes and let's view this on the front end. And everything's great. Thanks for joining us. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a big like.